Hello teachers, in this video we're going to take a look at the calendar feature in Canvas, and we're going to be able to see how this can be a powerful tool for organization for both the teachers and the students. And I think this method, I didn't really quite understand it at first. It took me a while to kind of get a hold of it, so I'm going to try and break it down and really explain what's going on and how we can use the calendar. So imagine I'm logged in as a student right now, and these are my calendars on the right hand side here, and these calendars represent the courses. So I'm in language arts, math, science, and social studies. Now, regardless of what time of day or what period or anything like that I'm in these classes, these calendars and the associated courses are showing up alphabetically here. And so you can see right now the only one that I've listed is social studies. So that's what's showing up here. And what the teachers are doing is they're going in and they're creating a calendar event for each day of school. And so they're using the abbreviation SS for social studies and then putting the teacher's last name. And that keeps everything lined up and looking the same. And so imagine a student, they can just come into the calendar and they would just see the same thing all the way across. And then if I come in here and I click on science and I add that, then the science calendar and that teacher, they've abbreviated SCI for science and put their last name, and then that one is just all the way across the same color. Now, and this is important as far as all of the teachers being on board and doing it the same way, so that these events line up across the calendar this way. So we can see what happens if I put in math and then I put in language arts, and those teachers did not fill out the calendar for that day, then it kind of just throws everything off, and the calendar gets kind of out of order as far as how the students are seeing it. It goes math here, and then math jumps to here, and then math jumps back here. So keeping those the same, being consistent and doing a calendar post for every single day for all the teachers in the building can keep that lined up for the students. So I can come down here and I can just drag these assignments back in here, and you'll notice that they jump into alphabetical order. And then now every single day it looks the same. And like I said before, these are alphabetical order, not based on like the class period or something like that, because I think that was a part that was kind of confusing me as well before. I was like, well, it's not, in order that way. But yeah, just keeping them alphabetical all the way across. If all the teachers in the building are consistent, then that will allow everybody to look at their calendars in the same way. Hope that helps. Thanks.